First round.
In red has Elvin Abbasov. Turkmenistan in blue has Muhammet Jumamyradow. Jumamyradow, sorry. And this is an 85 kilo men's quarterfinal. This whole session is quarterfinals.
Two strong schools.
Fight number 14 of 19 this morning. Big kick and a huge right hand from Turkmenistan to answer. I like that. Don't let anybody get something for free. Quick kick and low hips. Look at them sit low. Put
Good job with the hips.
Place
Good
the
job.
hand on the
Great
hip
job.
to keep them from turning in on you. Good quick movement for 85 kilos, too. When they go, they understand quick. That was a good shot. But great defense from Muhammet from Turkmenistan. Leg kick and counter kick.
Nice
Big kick, but it's blocked.
Yeah.
But he didn't get punished for it. And we talked about this in the last fight. If you don't get punished for it, don't tire yourself out, but put it up there sometimes. See if it gets in. That can be the off button for the rest of the fight, right? You just hit him. And we saw that in some earlier fights.
Oh.
Kick goes low.
He did.
And that's true, that's true, that's true. No, and I like this. I like this. The head judge saying, no, don't count it. Just give him a second. And again, it's because of the technical requirements of what happens. Wow,
But
big
I must
slip.
say, it did ring the bell.
Yeah.
I could hear.
Oh, yeah,
Bang.
it was there. We saw earlier the platform judge kind of buying some time for the fighter, but not giving a warning. Ooh, and a big mistake.
Good. Yeah.
Azerbaijan just didn't have the ring awareness. So Turkmenistan's really pulling away with this. And here we go. Right arcing overhand, yeah. Didn't hit hard, but connected.
No.
That was a snapping
Good
kick to the inner
hand.
thigh for Azerbaijan. Best strike he's had in a little bit. Ooh, and a right hand from Blue again. We see them in this open stance. And we're down to 25 seconds. Front push kick, and he pulls the leg out, but a good left hook landed from Azerbaijan in that exchange. I still don't think it's enough.
Azerbaijan got to watch because he keeps the guards up when they're not fighting, but whenever they are changing the shots, he put it down.
I also
so opens the space.
I agree, and I also notice he leans back, but his fighter is taller, so that's why he'll throw the overhand. We saw him lose that, and that's dangerous because the fighter's long enough to get you. Yes, good eye, Beach. We've got 5 seconds left. We saw a great takedown from Turkmenistan. He's really pushing the pace and making sure he's got that lead. And I think there's no question. Our blue fighter took round one, and there, front kick, and he pulls it out, raises his hand. He knows. He doesn't need to wait for the score. And we see it. 7-22, 8-18, 7-16, 4-14, 9-16.
Blue side.
Murat have a great opportunity to deal with the second round easily, just keeping the distance and exploring that open spot that he have on the head.
Yeah.
So walking around and make some points. So he's gonna force the red fighter to go up to him.
Yes.
And then he can explore the takedowns or even do the clinch to waste the time.
And we just saw again in these replays what you were talking about. Turkmenistan would catch and immediately throw a punch. And I like that idea. Catch, punch, and then wrestle. When you're clinching, you might not score with the punch, but the punch still does that damage, and it really sets your opponent off and back on their heels.
Mostly because when you cash, the other guy is expecting for you to try to take down.
Yep.
And then when you do the punch, and it goes, what's happening?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, they often lower their hands to control the hips, or to push off, or they put their arms out straight. And with that long build, there's that right looping shot now, right out of the gate from Turkmenistan. Body kick, and again with the right. And we see him able to kind of switch his stance. See how he goes orthodox, he goes southpaw. He's comfortable either way. He throws that right hand as like kind of a real hard, stiff jab or a tight hook when he's southpaw, or even sometimes a looping hook. And then as a backhand, it's an overhand or a straight right. So he's got all those options. So it shows he's dynamic. And that.
Nice.
I love this. We haven't seen him try this. And what do? You clinch and everybody, you sometimes get passive. You're waiting for the ref to say ting. And all of a sudden the guy does something. And he can't complete. Azerbaijan's strong, but Turkmenistan stays heavy. And there, that right hook sneaking in a little bit to the jawline. Checked, so no score there. Oh, and that's that big right hand again. That's the tail of it.
There's
an
right,
open
whether it's space
in front or back.
the whole time there, man.
I'm looking at this hand position. I'd love a left high kick. And
come on, Mark. You can coach the guy.
What else do I say?
Does he have a point there?
Guys, are you ready? I want to see the right hand from Turkmenistan. Oh, I guess I'm not magic. Okay.
Now he's going to go now. See, 1, 2, and go.
So we've got 45 seconds left in this second round. Turkmenistan running away with it again. Nice hook and some good hard punches there from Azerbaijan. Some from the clinch, but he did rough up his opponent a little bit. I like that. And he really is at a point where he needs to find something heavy. He needs a knockdown. Body kick was good there, but he's going to need more than just one. He needs to be hitting him hard. He pretty much needs to knock his opponent down at this point with a heavy strike that he gets counted.
You know, in my opinion, Azerbaijan is much better than the score will show.
Yes.
Because the biggest flaw that he has is the open guard, the low guard.
Yeah.
If he changes that, he's going to become such a dangerous fighter because he's strong and courageous and fast.
I don't know about you. I like to match the hand height of my opponent. So when they're taller, my hands tend to go up a little more, right? And I know that exposes the body. You got to take the risk, but you got to judge the distance. And when you keep getting that right hand, you've got to stop that.
Sometimes when you're gonna go to sleep and it's cold, you've got to figure if you're willing to feel the cold in your head or in your feet. You have to decide. You know,
that's a good way to put it. I like that. Yeah, and we can't cover everything at once, so you have to kind of pick where do you hedge your bet. But what I would pick is I'm in danger of eating that right hand a lot. It's doing some damage, it's scoring. And if I put my hands up a little bit, maybe I don't eat that and I can figure something else out. I can block his punch and put my kick underneath. It's very hard to kick when you eat that right hand. You're going to be disrupted. It's going to make you